Well, that's all of the gifts given away. Now I can... Huh? Oh, there's one present left. I wonder who this is for. Hello, Baldric. Oh, hello, Birch Grove. Long time no see. How have you been? What? It hasn't even been that long. I literally appeared at the start of the movie. Oh, silly me. Jesus Christ. You know what? Never mind. So what are you up to? Oh, I'm just emptying out some Christmas presents out of these trucks. And it looks like there's one left. Who is it for? It doesn't say. Maybe I should open it. Baldric! Are you sure it's a good idea to open up a gift that doesn't specify who it's supposed to be given to? Oh, come on! What's the worst that could happen? Huh. That's strange. Why would someone want a strange leaf? Baldric, you pillock. That's a mistletoe. A mistletoe? How can a toe be a missile? What? No, you idiot! What you do with a mistletoe is to hang it up somewhere and then people would kiss when they're beneath it. Oh, I see. So, where should I place it? I don't know, anywhere. Anywhere? Alright then. There we go. You look great. Not on my funnel, you retard. Come right up, everybody! It's time to kiss Birch Grove! Come on, come on, who is it going to be? It can be anybody!
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
I suppose I better give you some privacy.
Bring me that gas!